Today we discuss another sorting technique, insertion sort. In insertion sort, we picks the elements one by one and places it to its right position of the sorted list. Now we write this algorithm as here we see that I loop start with 1 and end with n minus 1, that is last element, and j loop start with I minus 1 always and break either j greater than equals to 0 or aj greater than key. Now we discuss with an example. Take a list of 5 elements 35, 25, 41, 53 and 38. Before first iteration, we say that the first element, that is 35, is trivially sorted. Then we start first iteration, I equals to 1, then key equals to a1. Then for j equals to 1 minus 1, that is 0, a0 greater than key. So a0 placed at a1. Then j equals to 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. So while loop break and key placed at 0 position. At the second iteration, I equals to 2, key equals to a2. Then for j equals to 2 minus 1, that is 1, a1 less than key. So while loop break, here nothing to change. At the third position, I equals to 3, key equals to a3. Then for j equals to 3 minus 1, 2, a2 also less than key. So while loop break, here also nothing to change. But at the fourth iteration, I equals to 4, key equals to a4. Then for j equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3, a3 greater than key. So a3 placed at a4 and j loop decrease with 1, that is 2. Now for j equals to 2, a2 greater than key. So a2 placed at a3. Again j loop decrease with 1, that is 1. Now for j equals to 1, a1 less than key. Then while loop break. So key placed at a2. Then the array is sorted.